You wake up to a low, rumbling hum vibrating through your window. It's not an earthquake, not traffic. You pull back the curtains, and there it is, a colossal shadow lumbering down your suburban street. Towering tusks curve like ancient scimitars, furred hide rippling under the morning sun. A mammoth, right outside your home. Your heart races. This isn't a museum exhibit or a fossil dug from permafrost. This is real. This is now. Welcome to a world where the Ice Age never fully ended, where mammoths roam the earth today. Picture stepping outside, the air thick with earthy musk. The ground quakes softly as a herd grazes in the nearby park. Kids weave around them on scooters. Wide-eyed, joggers detour respectfully. These giants aren't extinct, they thrive. Woolly mammoths in tundras, Colombian ones on plains. Evolution let them linger, or ancient humans spared them. Now, they are woven into our world. Cities transformed. Imagine rush hour in a metropolis like New York. No gridlocked cars, elevated rails carry sleek pods overhead. Below, mammoths lumber through wide avenues, halting everything with a single trumpet. Skyscrapers rise with armored bases, green corridors for foraging. Central Park, a mammoth haven, where you stroll elevated walkways. Wind in your hair, watching trunks snake up for leaves. Awe surges, but fear flickers. One swipe of those tusks, and chaos erupts. Out in the wild, tension mounts. Yellowstone endless grasslands scarred by massive footprints. Herds charge, scattering wildlife. Rivers widen from their paths. Yet, nature blooms. Mammoths graze down overgrowth, curbing wildfires. Their dung enriches soil, traps carbon, slowing climate doom. But conflicts rage, farms raided at night, villages barricaded. A farmer's dread, shadowy farms vanishing into mist. Crops crushed. Society adapts fast. Transportation, trains on fortified tracks. Skies buzzing with drones. In cities, mammoth lanes, where handlers guide domesticated herds for construction hauling loads no machine matches eco-wise. Economy shifts, tourism booms with safaris. Culture celebrates with festivals, but divides deepen elites in private reserves. The poor facing habitat wars. Protests flare, demanding balance. Night descends. A deep bellow echoes. Stampede. Rogue herd thunders through streets, cars tossed. Screams piercing the dark. Drones deploy tranks. But danger lingers. Governments track with AI collars. Yet unpredictability reigns. One child too close. Tragedy. Still, beauty captivates. Sunrise silhouettes, trunks raised in symphony. Ecosystems thrive, birds in fur. Wolves trailing scraps. Innovation explodes, mammoth genes cure diseases. Architecture mimics their strength. We learn humility. Coexistence over conquest. If you've ever wondered what life could be like with these giants around, hit subscribe and join us. Because you won't believe what comes next. Deeper now, herders bond like kin. Stroking trunks under starlit skies. Fashion flaunts faux fur. Music pulses with their rhythms. Schools teach empathy via VR quakes. Politics tense, nations haggle over migration routes. Art duality, harmonious murals. Dystopian films of rampaging beasts. Wonders unfold, mammoth milk in markets. Spots like polo atop them. Environment heals, greener tech forced by their presence. Communities unite against nature's might. As sunset gilds the horizon, herds dotting the view. You sense it, humanity as partners in an ancient dance. Wonder triumphs fear. But what if science revives them tomorrow? Would you embrace the rumble or flee?